Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In today's video, we will discuss how to fill and submit the application form for UK spouse visa. For that, you will go on gov.uk website and then you will click on family visa, apply, extend or switch. After that, go down all the way and look for apply for spouse visa. So apply online from outside the UK. What we are doing in this, we are applying for the applicant who is outside the UK and the spouse is currently in the UK. The spouse is British national and she is in the UK, and the male applicant, the husband, is outside the UK in India at the moment. So we will click on Appendix FM partner. After that, select country to provide your immigration. So we are providing the country name, so India, that's where the husband is. Next, check visa application center location. So we have already checked that. I have identified where I'll do the biometric. Apply to enter UK as a partner. I know that I am this is all the conditions which I have to fill. Apply now. I'll click, and then after that I'll get an email. Register an email. I'll put my email address over here, dr_khan@consultant.com, and I'll create a password for myself. Once I have done that, I'll get an email as well for the password, and I'll just create that password, and that's it. Save and continue. Now contact by your email. Okay, so that's the email address. That's where the contact will be. You application email. Do you have another email address? No. Save and continue. Your telephone number. Provide your telephone number. So I'll provide my telephone number. Where do you use this telephone number? That's fine. So I'll just put my telephone number 91288. So that's my India telephone number. When I'll be in the UK, I'll be using the same number. And is this my mobile number? I'll select yes, save and continue. Any other telephone numbers? Do you have any other telephone number? No, I don't have any. Save and continue. Contacting you by telephone, that should be fine. I can be contacted by telephone, can be contacted by text. So I'll select both telephone and text. Save and continue. Now it's asking my name. So your name as per my passport or whatever documents are. Just now I'll put Dr. Khan and save and continue. So now any other names? Do I have any other name? No, I have the same, same name forever. So save and continue. Your sex, relationship status. Am I married or male, female? So it's male. Your relationship status, it's married because I'm applying spouse visa. Save and continue. Your address. So my address from my country where I am currently, India. So 49th Street, town, Mumbai, state, Maharashtra, postcode, country, India. I'll select over here. Is this the corresponding address? Yes, it's the same address where I'll get the email. About this property, who owned this property, how long you have lived there. So I'll select the years. I'm here for 8 years. What is the ownership? I own it, so it's my own property. Save and continue. Your identity card. Do you have a valid identity card? Yes, I have. My national identity card number. So I'll put my national identity card number. Issuing authority, India. Issuing date, I'll put that over here. 1/1/2020. And the date of expiry, so I'll put 1/1 and it's 2028. Save and continue. After that, your nationality, country and date of birth. So country of nationality, it's India. Country of birth, that's also India. Place of birth, I'll put Mumbai. Date of birth, I'll put my date of birth. So it's 1/1980. Save and continue. Your passport, India. Do you have a valid passport? Yes, I have a valid passport. I'll put my passport number. Currently, I'll just put that. Issuing authority, India. Issuing date, when was the passport was issued. So I'll fill that date, 2023. The expiry date of the passport, so I'll put the same expiry date as well. So it's 2026. I can provide this passport if required. Yes, I can provide this to passport. Your other nationalities. Do I have any other nationality, any other citizenship? No, I don't have any other citizenship. Save and continue. Your planned travel information. Date of plan to arrive in the UK, when I'll be arriving. So for example, I'll put 6 months ahead, like next year, 2025. Saving. Language you speak. So what languages do you speak fluently? English, that's fine. Another language, I'll select Hindi, and I'll select another language, that's Urdu. So I'll select all these languages. Save and continue. Spoken languages preference. So I can select English or other. If I select other, I have to mention which language. So I'll select English. So save and continue. English language exceptional. Are you exempt from? No, I'm not exempt. So either I need IELTS or I need the degree for it. So do you have a degree that was taught in English? Yes, it was. Country your degree was taught in. So if I select, I'll obviously have to select India over here. Does degree meet your valid? Yes, it was, because if you have a bachelor's degree or master's degree, then it's fine. Degree certificate, can you provide that? Yes, I can provide that. Save and continue. Other transcripts, so I'll select the save and continue on degree certificate. Your children, do I have any children? No, I don't have any children, so I'll select no over here. Save and continue. Give details about your first parent. So I'll select my mother and I'll provide her name, Noor, and family name I can put over here, Khan. Okay, so date of birth, her date of birth, I need to provide that as well. So make sure I'll put 11955. Country of nationality, so India. Have they always had the same nationality? Yes, she always had the same nationality. Save and continue. Give details about another parent. So my father details, father, give name. So my father first name, Ejaz, family name, Khan, and then date of birth of my father. So I'll put 01011950. Country of nationality, again I'll select India over here. Where you will live in the UK. So I'll select, do you know where you will be staying in the UK? Yes, I know where I'll be staying. So I need to provide the UK post office, the postcode where my wife stays. So it says that error. So it's need the full address where my wife stays. So I'll put 49th Street and her town. So she stays in London. So that's how you will select, save and continue. No thanks. Details of where you live in the UK. So is this the home family name? Yes. So I'll put the details of her, Misha, and her family name, Khan. So because she's wife, so I'll put her name, their relationship to you, wife, her telephone number. So I'll put her telephone number over here. After that, I'll select save and continue. Other places you will stay while in the UK. So you will be living anywhere else in the UK? No. Save and continue. UK travel history. Have you been in the UK for the past 10 years? No, I have never been in the UK in the past 10 years. Save and continue. UK visa application. Have you been issued with the UK visa past 10 years? No, never had any documents for UK. Travel to Australia, Canada, New Zealand, USA. So no, never been traveled. So 0. Saving. World travel history, where I've been outside the UK. I've never been outside the UK. So I'll select no over here. Save and continue. Immigration history. For either the UK or any other, have you been refused a visa? No, it's never been refused, deported or anything. So no. Breach of UK immigration law. Entered UK illegally, never been entered in the UK illegally. So no. Save and continue. Conviction of other penalties. Any criminal conviction, penalty of driving offense, arrest or anything? No, I had never. So select no. War crimes. No war crimes. So I'll select no again. I have read all information about war crime, military and guidance. So if I click on it, it will give me the whole list. I'll select save and continue. Terrorist activities, organization and views. You must read all the information. So I have already read it. So it's no. Have you ever been member of terrorist organization? No. Have you ever been any, express any views regarding the terrorists? No. Have you read all the information? Yes. Extreme organization views. So do I have any extreme organization views? No. There is never support anyone. Have you ever been of any extreme views? No. I have read all the information about extreme views. Okay. No. Person of great character. So have you been part of the employment? No. Any dangers? Have you ever been engaged in any activities? No. May not be considered be a good person? No, obviously. Is there any other information of your character or behavior which would like to be aware of? No, there is nothing like that. Save and continue. Your employment history. So, have I ever worked for armed forces, intelligence services, media organization? I have not worked any of these jobs. Saving. Detail about your current partner, Michelle, family name Khan, date of birth. So I'll put her date of birth first 1985. Country of nationality, I'll put her nationality. Do they have currently live with you? No. I can, if I put no, I have to put the address. I'll select yes. Will they be traveling with you in the UK? No. When did you and Michelle live together? Okay, I'll put the date when we started living together. So that was 2018. Other marriages, are you currently married with another person? No, I'm not married to any other person. So I'll select no. Have you been previously married? No. Your sponsor, so that's my wife they are talking about, is Michelle Khan, the sponsor of your application. She's a British citizen. Yes, she's a British citizen. I can select no as well, but I'll select yes, she got a British passport. Relationship to Michelle Khan. What relationship? She's my wife. So I'll select yes. Home office. Does Michelle have any home office reference? No, she don't have any like case ID or anything. So I'll select no. Save and continue. National insurance number. That's how they check the tax. Okay, that's not correct. Okay. Michelle Khan does not have the, well, I'll put that. Provide Michelle Khan email address. So I'll put her email address over here. And then after that, write her telephone number. So I'll put her telephone number as well. Save and continue. Michelle Khan passports. I need to provide the valid passport details. So I'll just put her passport number. Showing authority. I'll put her that as well. She's a British national, but I'll put her other passport. Okay. This is just for explanation. So expiry date, I'll put that as well. 2026. I can confirm of this passport. That's fine. That can be provided. Language, Michelle Khan speaks, so I'll put her language, so she speaks English, and save and continue. You can add another language. Hindi you must have, because it's like, it's very important. Languages does she speak? What languages do you both communicate? So I'll put English over here. Save and continue. Details, when did you marry her? So I'll put the date of marriage, 1st 2020. Where did you got married? I'll put Mumbai over here. And then country, India. What type of ceremony was that? It was an event. Did both you and Michelle Khan attended the marriage ceremony? Yes. Yes, it was arranged marriage. You related to Michelle? No. Or yes, you can say that. Detail of your marriage, like do we have any children? No, she's not like related to me, so that's fine. Michelle Khan previous partner, is she married to someone else? No, she's not married to anyone. Save. Michelle Khan children, do she got any children? No. Save and continue. Shared financial responsibility. At the moment, we're not sharing any financial responsibilities, so I can select yes. If I select yes, I have to provide. So currently, no. Your accommodation in the UK, is that the same accommodation where she stays? I'll be staying. Yes. And now, about does Michelle Khan own this property? Yes, she owns this property. How many bedrooms are there in the property? So there are 3 bedrooms. How many rooms? There are 2. Other residents of this property. So does anyone else? No, nobody stays. She stays on her own. Check your answers. So I'll check all my answers from top to bottom. Looks all correct. All good, all good, all good. And I'll go all the way down and I'll select continue. Now it's asking me about my documents, mandatory documents, the passport issued. Yes, I'll provide that. I'll provide the biodate page. Other documents, ECCTIS letter, degree certificate, proof of relationship evidence showing Michelle Wright passport. So save and tuberculosis test. Yes, I'll provide that. Conditions. I like, I confirm all details are correct. Declaration, I confirm that everything is correct. I am applicant aged 18 or over. Yes, I confirm that. So I accept the above. I am submitting the form on behalf. No, yep. Check your answers again. Consent, all the answers. I declaration. I select yes. Fee waiver. Have you anyone else on your application been accepted for fee waiver? No, this is like, obviously I'm not applying for fee waiver. I'll pay the full fees. Now, immigration health surcharge, which is we have to pay. Save and continue on that. And once I have paid the immigration health surcharge, it will take me website where I'll provide my biometric, like, I'll pay the fees, and after that I'll pay the documents and I'll book my biometric. This is how you need to submit, and once you have submitted, you will book the biometric residence, and then you will go and do your biometric. That's how easy it is. You don't need any immigration lawyer, you don't need any solicitor, you can do everything by yourself.